Don't let the sun fool you, it's pretty cold out. So I'm heading to my dad's farm and they're making maple syrup. So boiling down the sap.
Oh, close it!
I'm gonna go check it out. Come with me. Well, it's a beautiful day to be driving, that's for sure. No snow, no rain, no wind really. Well, I'm finally here and I look like a lumberjack. And I'm heading to the sugar shack.
Hey, how you doing?
Hello.
Sugar Shack. This is the genetically impaired sugar shack.
Hi.
I slid past you.
What's that? It's in here and then it just gets dumped in there.
Yeah, normally that's the only way we can do the ice because it's not melting fast enough. So out in the bucket. But yeah, when there's ice in the buckets on the trees, it just makes collecting it trickier.
Oh, let's see a wasp nest up there. So there's the bucket here, then this lid slides on and off. But as you can see in there, all you do is drill a hole and stick one of those in, and then you hang the bucket on it. And then see if there's any in there. No, I assume because they already got it all. There's some more over there. We used to play paintball back here. It makes me kind of nervous being here. It's like a war zone to me. There's the firewood, I'm assuming. Was this full of sap?
That's for sap, yeah.
Wow.
We haven't filled that up yet. We had 195 gallons of sap this week. It was boiling.
Wow. 195 gallons of sap or?
Sap.
Oh, okay.
You're still sucking a little juice through the line.
comes out
It
there.
collects into this pre-warmer.
Comes out of there. Okay, then it goes into the pre-warmer.
Yeah, we
Oh,
ran
there we
this
go.
just to try to heat it up.
Ah. Oh, that's to just heat it. And then that you're just filtering any what? Bugs or flakes?
Yeah. Moths, ants. And it goes through these as it gets more dense because the water is getting evaporated out of it.
Ah.
That's what makes it travel. It's not because the thing is level. It goes through a pipe in here and comes into, this is the flue pan, this is your syrup pan.
Oh.
It comes in here and it travels down, getting thicker, gets over here, and when it gets to 219, it's syrup. If it's 218, it's not syrup.
For maple syrup only. Wow.
219 degrees of syrup, and you can it. And did you see our cool little cans right there?
Oh, we
So
need
don't
one.
dump that little.
You're canning it in that? What? That.
Some of those.
I gotta be able to see to keep these two things in line.
Have it just loosely.
Oh, close it!
Goddamn! I hit it the wrong way. I'm sorry. We need
I
this
got a
one.
hot molten glove now.
I'll switch you. I'm trying to see. Nope, not yet. You're not in the funnel.
All right, so we saw how they collect the sap. We saw how they boil the sap. And we saw the containers to put in there, to put them in. All we have to do is eat them on some alkaline French toast. Or what's your favorite recipe for maple syrup? What do you like to have it on the most? Do you like it on pancakes, or is there something else? Is there some other great maple syrup treat that I don't know about? Let me know in the comments. So that was great. So I'm leaving now. I gotta head back into the sunset. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you're looking to completely transform your life and shift over to the alkaline way, reach out to me. There's a link at the bottom of the description, and you can get a free consultation. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.